Hi you guys, it's Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 4 different protective styles. It's really simple. I use like 2 products the whole video. It's really easy, really simple. You guys will love it. Now to this makeup look, okay? If you like this makeup look, please go watch the video on this makeup look. It came out so nice. I used a lot of new products, so if you guys want to see how I did my hair like this and 3 other ways, please continue to watch this video. Alright you guys, so please excuse my bonnet, but I just finished doing my makeup. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, I don't know what I called it, but watch the video before this one on this makeup look. Yesterday I washed and deep conditioned and blow dried my hair, and if you'd like to see how I did that, there will be a video coming soon. So today we're just going to be doing a quick and easy protective style. First, I just combed out my hair with a wide tooth comb. And first things first, for this style, you're going to need a wide tooth comb, a brush, a rat tail comb, gel, rubber bands, and braiding hair is optional. You do not need that. I'm going to take my rat tail comb and finish out my middle part. Just want to clip one side of my hair off like that. Take my comb and comb my hair back like I'm putting it into one pigtail. I'm going to take some moisturizer. I'm using the Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defying Cream. Then I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed. I'm going to take my elastic band. Now to the other side, I'm just going to repeat the same process. Okay, so I actually got them even. I'm back at it again with the trusty dusty braiding hair. So I'm just gonna break it in half. First, I'm just gonna attach it to my ponytail. I'm going to show you guys 3 ways that you can do this style, okay, once the ponytails are in. So the first way is you can just begin to twist the hair. Okay, then with this extra piece of hair, I'm just going to wrap it around. And put a bobby pin in it. I'm going to do the other side and come back. So this is look number 1. It's so cute, just two. Alright, so this is look number 1. Okay, so straight into look number 2. Look number 2 is twisting these bad boys up, and we're just gonna make a bun with it. And I would just secure it with 2 more of these. So this is the second hairstyle, just 2 buns. The third hairstyle, we are going to braid the hair, leaving my real hair on top so it can just blend in. Alright you guys, so this is the finished third style, real Pocahontas like. For the fourth and final style, we're just going to take these braids and wrap them around each other in the back. And once again, you can do a braided bun like I did the twisted bun, but for my buns, I just prefer twist. But you can definitely do that also. And I'm just gonna wrap the first braid around the second braid. Okay, and to secure, you should use some bobby pins, but this is my little French twist. And this hairstyle will go great with some hoops, some dangly earrings, all that good stuff. So now to take some pictures. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.